Hi guys, Courtney here at Rudy Luther Toyota in Golden Valley, and today I'm going to be showing you a 2020 RAV4 Hybrid XSE. With its striking style and impressive power, you are going to love the new RAV4. Starting from the front, you are going to see a new front end design along with our LED headlights and fog lights below. Included on this RAV4 is Toyota Safety Sense, which is your lane departure with steering assist, pre-collision with pedestrian detection, and radar cruise control. All really great Toyota Safety Sense features. We'd love to show you those if you would like to come in and take a look. Underneath the hood, you do have two drive options. So you have your battery and your gas. If you are running the battery, you're running it at 219 horsepower at an average of 40 miles per gallon. And if you're going off of the gas, you are running it at 203 horsepower with an average of 30 mpgs. Coming around the side, again, you are looking at the XSE. We do have 6 models of the RAV4, 4 of which are hybrid models. This vehicle is equipped with Toyota's keyless entry. If you go ahead and press these little lines on your door, it is going to lock the vehicle. If you'd like to unlock the vehicle, go ahead and stick your hand in the door and pull it open. Starting on the interior, you're going to notice an all black interior. Along the trim, dash, and seats is going to be a blue stitching carried throughout. Along with this RAV4, we do have the JBL speakers. Up on the screen, you have a 7-inch touchscreen with a lot of great technology. We'll go over that as soon as we get into the interior of the vehicle. In the back, you are going to notice that you do have a lot of space for passengers. Down in the middle of the vehicle, there are some charging ports for your passengers in the back. If you don't have passengers but you are looking for extra cargo space, go ahead and pull this latch right here, and that will fold down your seats, giving you a ton more cargo space. So at the back, you are going to notice that a couple more fun little features that this car has is the front and rear parking assist. So if you're someone who parks in the city, it's a perfect car for you, help you park in those tight spaces. Again, this is equipped with Toyota's backup camera, one of our safety senses. Every RAV4 comes standard with one. It is an automatic lift gate, so go ahead and press that button and it will open it right up for you. In the back, you are going to notice that this one does come equipped with a cargo cover. So if you do have any valuables that you don't want anyone to see, go ahead and put them under here. You just go ahead and pull this and it will just latch in there for you. Under here, you do have your spare end jack. A lot of room too for anything else that you would like to put under there. Over here, you are going to notice that there is a JBL speaker. This car is equipped with JBL, which also has the amplifier and subwoofer in the back. Up there, you press that button and it will automatically close the lift gate for you. Coming down to the wheel, you are going to notice an 18-inch painted black alloy wheel. Each RAV4 does have its own wheel design. No matter which RAV4 you choose, you are going to love the wheel design. Coming up here, you do have the blind spot monitoring system. So on both mirrors, it will illuminate if someone is in your blind spot while driving. Comes standard, again, one of Toyota's safety senses. Again, with the keyless entry. So coming in here, you are going to again notice the black with the blue stitching. On the left hand of the steering wheel, you are going to notice the automatic lights, the heated wipers, and then your heated steering wheel and your trunk button. So now that we are on the interior of the RAV4, you are going to notice there is a ton of space and a lot of really cool designs. Starting up at the top, you are going to notice that moonroof. Again, the panoramic roof is available. It's just an upgraded option. Starting here, you do have your SOS button. So if you are involved in a crash or see a crash, go ahead and push that and emergency services will come through your speakers. Coming down here, you do have your automatic dimming mirror. So if it senses headlights, it will dim itself. Here are your garage door buttons. Again, if you have any cargo in your back end and you can't see out your back window, go ahead and flip your mirror forward, which will illuminate the back camera to let you see what's going on behind you. And then you can just push it forward to turn it back off. Coming down here, you do have your 7-inch audio touchscreen. The home screen on the audio player is completely customizable. So here you're going to notice that we picked to have the navigation and music up playing, but you are free to put navigation in your phone or weather. It's completely up to you. Vehicle again comes equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. This vehicle is equipped with the dual climate zone. Below that, you are going to have your traction control button along with your heated seats. Underneath that, you are going to have your charging station, which also includes that wireless charging system. So you can just go ahead and lay your phone on that and it should start to charge it. Over here, you do have your automatic transmission. You can shift it over, so if you would like to shift through the points yourself, you can do that. Here is your electronic parking brake and your brake hold button. Here is the trail button for off-road performance. Down here, you are going to have your 3 drive modes, which is Eco, Sport, and then Normal. Your EV mode, which is for the hybrid system, so go ahead and press that if you want to ride in the hybrid system. Over on the left-hand side of your steering wheel, you do have your phone control, audio control, and voice command. Over on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you do have that radar cruise control and your lane departure warning system. Up on the dash, you do have your information center, which is going to pull up your distance until empty, your average miles per gallon. Here's going to be your navigation along with your radar cruise control, the radio, your trip distance, all your Toyota safety sense, and then your service messages, and then back to the home screen. So like I said, there are 6 trim levels to the RAV4, 2 of which are your hybrids. Again, I did show you the hybrid today. If you have any further questions or you'd like to schedule a test drive, please feel free to give us a call at the store or click online at rudyluthertoyota.com.